Alright, it is Monday, October 2nd, 2023, 5:11 p.m. Let's go ahead and call Amber again.
Hi, you've reached Amber Patwell Law. We are unavailable right now, so please leave your name, telephone number, and a brief message, and we will call you back as soon as possible. You can also send a text message for a faster response. Thank you and have a great day.
Amber, you're grossly negligent, totally incompetent, and wholly inadequate to represent me. You sent an email Thursday at 6. I just got this email. I told you I very rarely get email. And you do not answer the phone. You're looking for discovery that I've had for over 6 months now. 2 days before a pretrial. You piece of fucking shit. I want a competent attorney. Making a video about this right now. Had it with you. Your Amber Patwell LLC has been dissolved. You don't even have a business. Beyond frustrating. They'll play with your life. They just legally abuse you. These freaking Esquire, soft-sit, freaking retards. All right, I'm going to go through the email in a second here. Amber Patwell, LLC, inactive. Inactive. You're going to see an email 2 business days before my 8th pretrial. She gets a hold of, or she messages Todd Pollard, who I believe is my 8th, maybe 9th. I've caught 8 different prosecutors, saying she doesn't have discovery. Thankfully, I'm recording all of this because I told her I had discovery. They're right here. I have the live stream. There's 2 live streams where I had to corner Serbo Simeone to get this discovery. Discovery right here. Discovery. The police reports and narrative. All the body cam that they were willing to give. I don't have radio transmissions. I don't have any inter-office memorandum that I've already put in a demand for discovery. My medical records from the jail. That's not on here. None of that's on here. But I have all the body cam footage. I told her at least 2 months ago that I had it. Willfully ignores it. Just get an email. But this happens to me, it can happen to you. The state is a monster. This legal fiction. They'll stop at nothing. She's wasted 2 months of my time. Let's get an email. Yeah, once again. That doesn't even exist. Amber Patwell Law, LLC, is inactive. And she appointed herself by her maiden name as the manager or whatever. Registered agent, manager, whatever the heck it is. Alright, so here we are with the email. It's October 2nd, it's 5:36 p.m. So she sends me this 2 days ago. I told her I rarely get email. I didn't get this till yesterday. I live in a van. I've been homeless for 5 years now. 5 freaking years. 11. So it's September 29th. So call it the 30th. At almost midnight. Please see below. We can meet at my office. I am available on October 10th in the afternoon. Please confirm what time is best for you. Thanks, Amber Patwell. October 10th, my trial's tomorrow at 1:30. My 8th pretrial. You're going to see, she just burned another 2 months. She's grossly incompetent. She needs to be disbarred. See below. All right, so these email files are transmitted confidential. No, they're not. Used by the individual entity whom they are addressed. Yeah, that'd be me. Amber Patwell Law. So she emails Todd Pollard, my 8th prosecutor. Hi, Todd. I left a message with you on Tuesday regarding this client. This was sent... All right, So she's scrambling. Thursday, September 28th, 6:33 at night after close of business. So Friday, Monday, Tuesday's my pretrial. So I left you a message regarding this client. I was recently appointed to her 2 months ago. 2 freaking months ago. I've reached out multiple times to her prior counsel, Serbo Simeoni, requesting discovery, and I haven't gotten a response. Well, imagine that. Just like I don't get a response from Amber Patwell. So she requested discovery from Serbo, which I've had for well over 6 months now. Like I said earlier in the video, you can see in my live streams where I had to confront him on camera, and he tried not to give me the body cam evidence. He ran. He gave me the paper evidence, which was the police report, the narrative, and that's it. And I had to go up to him or call him, and I had to get him on camera again to get the video evidence, the body-worn camera footage. He did not. That was the second time I tried to get it. I had to live stream it to get it. Corner the guy. So she asked Todd, "Are you able to send it to me, or alternatively, I can pick it up? We are in court next week." Not next week, 2 days. It's actually tomorrow now. So I can pick it up before, and I will be at the courthouse in Pasco tomorrow morning as well. Not sure if that's enough time, though. No, you wait until the last minute. Because all these people do is run down the clock. There is no such thing as a speedy trial. I've had 2 trials set already. They don't have witnesses. They have no case here. They're just legally abusing me. So Todd writes back on the 29th, 7:04, bright and early, sharp. He CC'd Teresa Carter, whoever the hell that is. Probably another one that won't talk to me. Amber, I apologize, but I'm preparing for a felony speedy trial on Monday, so I won't be able to address this prior to the pretrial conference. I know that our discovery people refuse to send it out once it's been sent. However, if there's anything that I can copy for you, I will once this trial is complete. So you gotta commit a felony to get a speedy trial? This trial, my case that they will not drop, will go on 2 or 3 years. They're just running out the clock in hopes that I will die because they have no case. That's it. So the 8th pretrial, which she said that the prosecutor had to schedule. The prosecutor told me that she had to schedule it. So then I called the prosecutor and in Judge Gray's office, which you can never speak to the judge because he's hiding under his desk too, to rattle their cage to get this scheduled. I'm doing all the work here. These people are doing nothing except running down the clock. There's a million other things I can go into here. Please see below. We meet in my office. I just tried to call her. She does not answer the phone. She's blocked me on her Amber Patwell LLC Facebook, on her so-called private one, whatever you want to call it. She hasn't answered a text message in well over a month and a half. Probably 2 months now. She will not answer the phone. October 10th. And I sent her all the stuff about the mortgage fraud and the criminal involvement there and all these judges' involvements. She hasn't said anything about that. Hasn't said anything about a trust fund. You got a trust fund beneficiary and the trust fund Lord of Air fighting. That has nothing to do with it. She's a family lawyer, apparently. She's not even a lawyer. She's not a lawyer. She's not an attorney. She's a piece of crap. But yeah, a million other things I can say. I'm just post this up. This happened to me. It can happen to you. This is flat out legal abuse. They're not real courts. They're not real attorneys. She told me that she, you can look at one of my prior videos, that she says I had been counseled about recording. And I firmly believe that she's already spoken with Serbo. Because he's the only one who said, oh, you can't be recording this stuff. Of course I can. So it's my firm belief, and I can't prove it. None of these people will talk. Serbo's blocked my number. This lady's blocked my number. But it's my belief that she has spoken to him. That's it. More later. We'll call her before trial tomorrow.